finally, good morning and welcome to Below Zero Ice Driving and Air Sweden. We are here in the middle of January at the moment, and this is our playground for the next couple of days. Let's check it out. Below Zero, and we are on the slalom course. Andy at the wheel showing us how it's done, going back to his rallying days. And this is just a simple oval slalom course in which we're using to get our eye in for the snow come through the window now. For the cars and for the conditions and for these stud lengths as well, because we're swapping tyres from the first day to the second day. One side slightly more open than the other, and it gives us a chance to muck around with weight transfer and get our eye in. So yeah, here we go. So the Below Zero ice driving experience, based up just outside the Arctic Circle in Sweden, near Air, which is a big ski resort. It is the Alps of Sweden apparently, so a very big ski resort for that. We are here for a 2-day ice driving experience with Tuthill Porsche. So Tuthill are infamous Porsche preparer, sorry, and who have been running the experience for just under 10 years now. There's 4 courses set out in this massive lake that you can see here. Basically anywhere there's trees is what's lining the lake. It's currently minus 15 here at the moment. Very clear sky, as you can see. This is the second day of our experience. It was a little bit cloudy yesterday, but this morning the light has been beautiful. It's about 10 o'clock and the sun's literally just rising above the mountains there. So you get daylight from about 9:30 till 3:30. So it's a relatively short day and my hands are freezing and I've taken my gloves off for about a minute now. The instructors here have been awesome. Myself and Andy are here, who I've driven historics with in the past, have been pretty much left to our own devices, which has been awesome. And we've been tackling the various rally routes for that. So here comes Andy now, giving it a largent. Let's jump on board with him for a lap. So we've had an awesome morning here on the big circuit and on the big spikes today, Below Zero ice driving. Me and Andy have mainly been self-coaching one another, hacking around the big circuit. Big spikes seem to make a big difference. Awesome thing about the Tuthill's day here, Below Zero, is just the freedom, the amount of track time you get and the freedom of track time you can get. We've got Ryan and Terry on hand, which are both experienced rally drivers, both British and international level. And I think between them they've got about 50 years worth of experience. Here's Ryan coming past in a short wheelbase actually. Awesome. So we've been out with them, got some mega tips off of them, which has really improved my off-road driving. The sense I love about this is I've not done any sort of rally driving or anything like that before, but I do in some of these corners feel like Colin McRae. Snowbanks either side, you're never in a straight line. The little yellow stripe that the steering wheel has on it, it's irrelevant really, just the car is moving all the time. Me and Andy were having this discussion that on a circuit you have time to relax, you have time to think on a straight or whatever and approaching the next corner. But certainly on this circuit there's very little straight anyways, but as soon as you're out of one corner and there is a little straight, you're power sliding out and you're just thinking about how you're going to link the next corner together to get obviously the optimum approach, the optimum entry, and just the margin for error is so tiny. We're very lucky here that the snowbanks are quite small, so when we're off, poof, we go through them, as you'll see on multiple occasions on the onboard camera.
David losing control now, just into a little bit of a baby spin. And that's round and in reverse. That was that's too fast. It's the camera.
And we get going again, but to keep the car, yeah, there's such a fine line to attack. You've got to keep it so neat and tidy to that inner snowbank, and yeah, using the snowbanks as well to your advantage. Sometimes you come in a bit hot, drag the inside on the front, the inside snowbank, and it slows you down, which is awesome. So yeah, this is our little home from home on the ice. We've just got a little dome effectively with a fire heater in there, which keeps us nice and warm. Teas and coffees and refreshments in there, which is as much as we need, which is really nice. It's 12:30 now, so we're just going to go for an hour's lunch break. We'll have some nice traditional Swedish food in the hunting lodge, and then we're back again for the afternoon for the big course. We thought we were on the biggest course, but now it turns out there's another section over the very far side of the lake, so we're really looking forward to that. So yeah, we'll jump to lunch now and catch up after lunch on the track. Thank you. Hey, hey.
Where have you been?
Stuck at the bottom of the hill.
Was you?
Yeah.
So with lunch done, I made sure that I got Ryan Champion from Tuttills Below Zero to jump in with me and give me some tips. Just like in the video you're about to see, which was very useful and very entertaining.
Right, carry a bit more speed through here. Go on, go on, go on, go on. Just lift a little and then go. Go on, go on, go on, go on, go on. And flat. Go on. What? Don't lift, don't lift, don't lift, don't lift. Without braking. Right, okay. Just needed to be a bit harder because you were carrying way more speed into there. So. Yeah. Right, you've had a look at this bottom bit now, send it. Right, keep it in. I can't go drive off. Go on, go. Just tightens to the left, so brake in, just tightens again. That's it.
So that concludes our overview of our below zero ice driving experience. Mega couple of days, really good weather, really good cars, really good hotel, yeah, and great company as well. So thank you very much for having us along, and yeah, make sure you check out Below Zero Ice Driving if you can. The link to their website, etc., will be in the description below. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe for plenty more motorsport and car related content coming for the rest of 2019. Catch up then. Ciao ciao.